How to show single tick on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. And as you can see, blue tick means the person has seen. And for single tick, what you can do is go back, hold on to the WhatsApp app. Here, click on app info at the top. In app info, click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Turn off background data. And turn on disable Wi-Fi and disable data uses. And with data and internet, also you won't be able to see WhatsApp notifications as it is disabled. And if somebody sends you a message, it will show single tick on your message. And if you want to turn this off, you can simply turn off disable Wi-Fi and disable data uses. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to show single tick on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.